Hello everyone, my name is Roy, and today let me introduce our product N35 POC Radio for you. There are three key functions in this radio. First, it got 128 plus 64 pixel LCD display with 6 quick keypad. Second, it got 4G LTE and 3G WCDMA national coverage. Third, it got 4000 mAh high capacity battery with Type-C charging port. Let's open out the box and see what's inside. An owner's manual, a USB to Type-C charging cable, a rapid power adapter, a stubby 4G antenna, a rubber SIM card cover, a rock spring belt clip, a nylon strap, a slim and high capacity lithium battery, and the body of the radio. Okay, this is the N35 POC Radio. It comes with slim and friendly hold design. Here is 36mm loudspeaker. And there is the volume knob, which can change the value of voice directly. It's with a big and 8000 pixel LCD display and 6 quick opera keypad. And there is a PTT button and 2 programmable buttons. It uses the popular Kenwood 2-pin connector as well. It's IP54 waterproof rated design. Okay, that's a quick view of our product N35 POC Radio. Thanks for watching. See you next time.